guys and girls, good day to each every one of you. Happy Halloween, happy All Souls Day, happy what's the other term for All Souls Day? I mean All Souls Day, All Saints Day. Happy All Saints Day to each every one of you. Did you all go to the cemetery? Are you sure? Did you make some spooky thing? You just pray. Very good. Hold on. As you can see, I have here a McDonald's for my client, and at the same time, she is my subscriber and she keeps on watching my videos, and I'm gonna surprise her again. This could be her second month on having a hi. It's your second month, Kim. She's Kim, but she keeps on watching my vlogs. That's why. So her reward. Thank you for watching, Kima. Any message?
Thank you so much, Hendrix. More subscribe.
And of course, more on views dapat.
Yes.
Kasi, mas
It's
more on ano dapat, particular dapat tayo sa views, di ba?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe sa
And
YouTube
share.
channel.
And share also, di ba? Oo. Oh, wait lang. Promote your shop.
Yes, punta lang kayo dito sa Gadget Protect sa Santa Lucia basement.
What can you offer?
Siyempre, temper glass, the good communication.
Communication skills. How about the price?
Mura lang.
Service.
Siyempre, 100% service kita.
Very good. Anong klase service yan? Ibang klase service yan, ha?
Massage.
Massage. So how's your experience on watching my videos?
Yes, minsan nakakainis.
Okay lang yan. At least you're being honest. I appreciate that for being true to yourself. Okay.
Siyempre, kailangan mo ng basher.
Totoo yan.
Ano naman basher yung pansa ko?
Teka, anong favorite mo sa mga videos ko, by the way, kung meron ka naiinis doon?
Yung
Favorite na videos na tumatak sa'yo or nagustuhan mo or naaliw ka ba? Alin doon ang nagustuhan mo na?
Parang ang baliw ng sayo na sayo.
Talaga? Ay! Bukod doon, yung talagang naalim yung may aral ka ba natutunan or may parang sa ating nakarelate ka?
Pandemic time.
Okay.
Parang siyang yung ewan, na kumakanta na parang
Hindi, yung pinaka memorable na gusto ko talaga na nagustuhan mo, may nagustuhan ka ba video ko bukod sa nainis ka? Meron din ka, wala mo rin nainis ka. Guys, she's been annoyed. Anyway, but
Hindi kasi yung pinapanood ko is mga last 3 years pa. Kaya medyo pa siya, nakakainis. Sa unang pa lang yun yung vlog. Pero ngayon, hindi ko pa napapanood.
Ano yung huli mong napanood? Ano yung pinaka-latest mo napanood sa akin?
Parang nasa, about the story time.
Ayun. Nung isang araw ko sinabi yun, ha?
Yes, yun sa'yo naman, nasasakyan ka, ngayon hindi.
Okay. So, continuous pa rin. Okay. Bati ka na sa family mo.
Ay, kung nga pala, ingat kayo dyan sa may sa Leyte, may bagyo.
Sino family name?
Siyempre, Cañeda family!
Saan doon sa ano lugar sinabi mo?
Leyte.
Saan sa Leyte?
Barugo, Leyte.
Okay, so ingat daw kayo dyan, guys and gals.
Thank you, Machi.
Shout out to each every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave to me. Team Bot, sana you keep on watching, ha?
Yes, mami.
Kahit hindi na kita tinatanong, ha?
Yes.
Okay. Bye. So, it's her second month for having a reward. Thank you for watching, team, okay? Bye-bye.